All right, guys, we're out here at the Dutton Ranch. I'm just kidding, but it's pretty darn close. This is one of our beloved customers, Carol. She has this beautiful, very large property. It is a horse farm. They've got a horse training center. There are tons of beautiful animals that live here, including a bunch of little koi fish. Come on over here and check this out. We used to take care of Carol's pond at her old home, which is now her son's house. That's how we met. And when she bought this property, she said, I've got the perfect spot. I want a big, beautiful pond. So she gave us this big blank canvas and we came in and created something absolutely stunning. And today we are here to clean it and get it ready for the season. So everything you see within this fence area, we built. So we've got this water feature, beautiful Goshen stone pathway, all the rock work. The plantings, though, I can't take credit for those. She did all that. But this right here is a beautiful piece of paradise that we are about to wake up from its winter slumber and get going. So right now I'm sitting up by the waterfalls. We've got two very large biological waterfall filters. The homeowner wanted to have lots of filtration. She planned on having tons of fish, and it's a pretty big pond. So we got these two really cool waterfalls, and the best part is they split, so it's two separate stream systems. This one I'm sitting in right now meanders all the way by that Goshen stone pathway we built, and it dumps into the pond with this beautiful waterfall over there. And we've got this awesome island in the middle where they've got this beautiful Japanese maple growing. The other waterfall spills over here, has a bunch of cool drops, and enters the pond on that side. There's a lot to see from different angles. And she works all over the place on this farm. So anywhere she is, she can see and hear the water feature. It's just super cool. We did this project in a little over a week. Not only did we build the pond, but we cleared all of this land within the fenced-in pen and built this pathway and a bunch of stonework. So we were here for quite a bit of time. We had the whole crew out here, and it was a scorcher. I think it was July, if I'm not mistaken, 2 years ago when we built this. Full sun, wide open out here, and it gets hot. There's tons of different characteristics. The stones here are absolutely gorgeous. Like if you look at that frame rock to the right on the waterfall, look at all the striations in that rock, and it's this beautiful blue color. There's the beautiful stump right there. We have this mossy, gnarly log as a stream edge down here. We got lights tucked in there, all sorts of aquatic plants. There's cool stuff everywhere. And what I really love about this stream section is even though we've got a ton of water pouring through here, it widens out so the water really slows down. And then right where you're standing is a choke point. So that pool then narrows down, picks up a little bit of speed, makes this bend, drops right into the pond off this beautiful waterfall. There's just tons of character here, and all the planting that she did has really just made it pop. So one additional fun thing she had us do, we had some extra rock, and she really wanted to have a fairy garden over here. And she plants this all up and makes it beautiful. So we built this really interesting shape. And it's hard to see, but when you look at it from a certain angle, looking down, it's in the shape of a horse's head. And this is a horse farm, so it was a little tribute to that for her. Hey Mason.
Yeah.
Hey, can you go to the truck and get us some ice cold water?
Dude, why don't you just have the film guy do it? He just stands around playing with the frogs anyways.
Hey film guy.
Yeah?
You gotta come over here for a second?
What?
What are you doing?
Playing with the fish?
Oh, any frogs in there?
Yeah, 3.
3? Oh, cool. Hey, can you go to the truck and get us some ice cold, delectable ice waters, please? Like, perfect, nice and cold.
Yeah, I got you.
All right, cool.
Asking where to get the waters.
So Mason,
Yeah.
now that you've been doing a little bit more video work, I know you're still not into it, but have you noticed your aura's going up?
I've been feeling it, yeah, man.
Yeah, man. It's like, think of a 401k, but instead of money, you're building up your aura for the future. You know
Do
what
I
mean?
get match?
Aura match?
Yeah.
Oh.
You gotta sweeten the deal for me, man.
Yeah, we could match your aura, I think. We could try to do that. Definitely.
I could think about that.
So, what kind of videos do you think you want to make? You know how Zach's like that guy who hides in the bushes and he goes, "Psst, come here." And then the film guy peeks his head underneath like a weeping birch or like some kind of crazy plant, and there's Zach zenning out with his beard. And he's got some pond wisdom to pass on to the people. What do you think your niche should be?
I'm thinking mine should just be not having the film guy in them.
Your niche is like videos without the film guy?
Yeah, the least amount of work I have to do with that guy, the better.
Well, you know, he is the film guy. He's going to be filming you.
It's not that hard, man.
He seems like he's lost over there. I'm pretty thirsty. Oh, here he is. Hey, dude, what's up?
I couldn't find any of the water, but I got gasoline.
Gasoline?
Yeah. Where you
Oh.
got it?
Oh,
The pond?
no, not in the pond. No.
No?
Thanks, buddy. That's helpful.
That one?
Nope. Can you just go put it underneath the tree over there in the shade? That's cool.
Yeah, I got you.
Thanks. Well, that didn't really.
You want me to do videos with that guy?
Yeah. Wait. I see what you're saying, but. All right, guys, come take a look. We're all done cleaning. It's back up and running. It's probably got another 6 inches to fill, maybe 4. We had to put a net over this temporarily. They're having a blue heron problem. So until we can get a permanent net on here, we've got this back up to keep the fish safe. But I wanted to show off these sweet waterfalls and streams. I love how the water is very slow moving in these wide open stream sections. And then it picks up speed as it goes over the waterfalls. Each side has got roughly 4,500 gallons going over it. It's controlled by one single 9,000 gallon per hour pump that's fed through a 3-inch line. It's over there in the intake bay. I'll show you, that's already collecting some pollen and debris. That's pushed up to both of these filters, split equally. There's a cool waterfall on this side as well. And the drops going into the pond. This one's a little impeded right now because of the net, but once we get a more permanent net set up, that will be opened up again. But look at that sheet fall down there. Gorgeous, gorgy. Follow me along this beautiful Goshen stone pathway. There are stepping stones that get across the intake bay. Water skims on both sides of the stepping stone, and you can see all of the pollen film on top of the water right here just circulating. This is where all the leaves, grass clippings, flower petals, any debris that falls into the water before it has a chance to sink to the bottom, it gets collected in this intake bay or skim cove where it can easily be removed. And underneath that faux rock right behind this beautiful log is the pump vault, and that's where the pump is housed, and that sucks all this water down through the large gravel and recirculates it back up to the filter. This is a gorgeous water feature. I absolutely love it, and it's right in the center of an absolutely epic property. All right, guys, thanks for joining us, and as always, if you have any questions about ponds or waterfalls, drop a comment down below. Besides that, hope you guys have a great day, and tune in next week for an all new awesome pond video. I bet you think I'm in a mountain stream right now. I'm not. This is man-made.
Dude, he grittying. For real, he grittying.